Sometimes I miss being a kid. You don't miss being a kid? No? Like right now, I wish I had a diaper because I gotta go pee.
Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Danny, your friendly tech amigo. We're gonna do a little different today. We're gonna do this vlog. I don't really know how to start vlogs off. Vlogs off. It's 6:35 in the morning. We're getting ready to go. We're gonna go down to like the middle of Mexico. It's called Querétaro. Great little hotel that my wife checked out. So I guess this is the start of a vlog. We're gonna do it all with the kit lens, and we're gonna do it all with no microphone attached, no nothing, just a regular camera, and we're gonna test out, see how it works. Let's go.
So we're all set to go. Right, Leo? You want your tablet? He's morning shy. Ready? So we're gonna go, and it says that we're gonna make it in 4 hours and 40 minutes. Obviously, we're gonna try to beat that time of 4 hours and 40 minutes. So let's go. We gotta stop by our Starbucks for that. This is the thing I hate about this road. It's like straight. It's like my car drives itself. Look, I'm not even touching the wheel. It feels like it's a Tesla, but it's not. It's a Nissan. First stop of the day. We don't check in till about 3 or so. So my wife has decided to do a little shopping. Let's go check out Leo's change. Look at that, he changed. Say hi. Hi. Are you happy you got your stuff? I've always felt weird, like, just vlogging like this, because everybody's gonna look at me. But everybody looks at us anyway, because she's Japanese, and I'm always speaking English, and we live in Mexico. ¿Dónde vas? So he just came out of there. Leo, you want to go back? You didn't want to leave. So here we are, and this is pretty cool. Nothing much. This little guy wants to go and hit the pool. Vámonos agua, Leo. Agua. Agua. Let's go. So the pool was an epic fail. Look at Leo. It was too cold. I think my wife got it on video. Did you get it, corazón?
No.
It was way too cold, huh?
Nunca había visto su cara así. Nunca jamás en su vida.
Happy New Year! Cheers! Cheers!
Cheers. Boom.
Boom! Cheers!
Tu papá
So as I was recording, I went out to here with this puddle. It's gonna get all wet and it's gonna smell bad. Ah. So we're at this Italian place. No. Cheese. I don't know if you can see, but it's got like dividers. Can you touch it, corazón? Back? Yeah. Cool. Now, cheers. Boom.
Cheers.
Good job. Okay, so that was the end of the trip. We're on our way back to Zacatecas. I learned a lot of things about the camera that I didn't know before. I haven't checked the audio on anything other than the camera itself, so I don't know how good the audio is. I hope it's good. It was some noisy and the bars were kind of going, off the radar or whatnot. But it was good. So yeah, 3.5 hour drive, 4 hours drive back to Zacatecas. How's Leo doing?
Leo que vamos a la casa.